quick learning moment here. Did you notice in the last video, I stumbled over a word, but I kept going. Didn't let it bother me. I didn't apologize. I didn't delete and start over again. The reason I point this up is when you're in an interview, you're going to make stumbles from time to time. I want you to do exactly as I just did. Don't let it bother you. Don't wince. Don't grimace. Don't apologize. Don't look like, oh my gosh, I'm so embarrassed. Just keep on going. Chances are no one will even remember it. Did you even notice the mistake I made? Or if you noticed it, did you remember it? Chances are it was forgotten instantly. Not because I'm perfect or great or never make mistakes. I just made a mistake. You can go back and look at it. But I don't spotlight my mistakes. I don't underline it. I don't call attention to it. That's what I want you to do as well.